Fit pics. Everybody has heard of them. A photograph that showcases a person's outfit. Some fit pics can be simple and tame, while others can be so wild that it's almost like the person's wearing art. I think we have all fell into the hole of taking these types of pictures and posting them on our Instagram. Not only are these fit pics a way of documenting our outfits, but they can also sometimes be a way of flex, if you know what I mean. Anyways, whatever the reason may be, you have clicked on this video to learn how to take fit pics. I'm not no social media fashion influencer expert, so I can't tell you a shortcut way of taking fit pics, but I can show you how I take my fit pics. Here's my credibility. Good enough? After watching this complete video, you will be able to come out with the most basic skill set to guide you to taking some fire fit pics yourself. So if that sounds interesting to you, then without further ado, let me show you how I take my fit pics. The first thing that I do before anything else is to pick an outfit. This is probably the most important step since the fit is the main focus of the picture. Usually, I have an outfit planned for a fit pic, but sometimes when I have nothing to wear, I just dig in my closet to see what will look nice together. When taking a fit pic, I like to go all out with my jewelry just to give the outfit a more elevated look. I also like to throw on some shades because it just makes the outfit look more complete. After I pick out the outfit, I then go on Instagram or Pinterest to get some inspiration on how I want the pictures to look like. I usually spend around 5 to 10 minutes scrolling on Instagram and Pinterest to get some ideas on the locations and the camera angles that I want to replicate. When I find some ideas that I want to use as inspiration, I either screenshot it or I save it to my save folder on Instagram. After I have a clear idea what the fit pic will look like, I then grab my trusty tripod and start to head out to the location I want to shoot at. For this fit pic, I wanted to go somewhere that had a blank and minimal wall that I can stand in front of. This will allow my outfit to stand out. I get a lot of questions about how I post my pictures, so here's a tip that I learned a long time ago. When taking fit pics, instead of just standing still for a long period of time and getting only like 2 or 3 good pictures, what I like to do is move around constantly to get a more natural look. By doing this, the pictures look more natural and less like you're trying to force a pose, if you know what I mean. For example, you can see here how Zendaya poses for her shoots. Instead of just standing still, she moves around to make the picture look more candid. Another way that I make my shoots easier to do is by using an app called Lens Buddy. This app is a huge time saver. It allows you to set a timer to where it can take pictures every second or every half a second. This allows you to capture more pictures while you're moving way more efficiently than setting a self-timer in a regular camera app. After I feel like I have enough pictures, I then go to the gallery and pick which picture I want to keep. Then I export it to my photo app. Once I feel like I have a good amount of pictures to use, I then head home to edit the photos. I usually don't go too crazy with the edits. The only app that I use to edit my photos is Snapseed. For my fit pics, I like to raise the highlights and lower the shadows to create more contrast throughout the picture. After I feel like the picture looks perfect, I then crop the photo to the Instagram aspect ratio. And that's basically all I do for the editing. Now I just apply the same edits to all my other pictures, and just like that, I'm finished. At the end of the day, taking fit pics isn't as hard as you think. All you really need is an outfit and a camera, and you should be able to take the most fire fit pics. Sometimes you'll feel like your outfit isn't good enough or that other people's outfits are better. But remember, a fit pic is a way to capture and express yourself through your outfit, and that should be the most important thing. Have fun with it. If you feel comfortable in your outfit and happy with what you're wearing, then that's all that matters. And if you want to see the final result, you can check it out on my Instagram page, link in the bio. And on that note, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.